Hello guys, today I have got JBL Endurance Peak 4 and I'm going to answer the question and cover the topic of why do your headphones JBL Endurance Peak 4 keep disconnecting from your phone. So actually this topic is quite complex, but I'll cover this in I'd say 2 minutes. So the first thing is Bluetooth connection. You need to unpair your headphones, earbuds completely from your phone, restart your phone, charge your headphones up to 100%, and meantime perform a factory reset on them. If you want to know how to perform a factory reset, you can check our channel because we've got a video for that. So this is the first thing. First, actually 3 things. If it doesn't want to work after resetting the Bluetooth connection, you need to try connecting your earbuds to a different source. Like if you were trying to connect them to your phone, try using a laptop. If it doesn't want to work with a laptop still, your headphones are at fault and you need to contact the device support here because there is nothing you can do with your headphones now. You can try updating the firmware in the application called JBL Headphones, of course, but I don't really think that this is the issue. If it helped you, if updating the firmware helped you, let me know in the comment section. However, if your headphones work properly on other device, but on your private phone they don't want to work, you need to contact the device support on your phone's device support, because your phone is broken probably. This is your phone's issue. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you want to have further knowledge, if you want to know some further knowledge, want to have it, leave a comment and ask many questions as you want. Bye.